nakalimutan ko pa magdala ng ilaw.
Ano yung ano ko? Stem ko.
Haba? Para mukhang doon tayo sa ano, mag-step up tayo kasi 15 kilometers na lang to eh.
Pero ano, tingin ko kailangan yung may usok konti yung para.
Oh, 45 daw doon. Di na tayo doon tumaan.
Swim, bike, or run? Yes, or even walking.
Diretso na po, 45.
Ano alisa ba?
Opo.
Correct. As long as gumagalaw ka, okay na yan.
Ang kaganda kasi sa mga events
Diretso na po, 45.
very inclusive. Hindi siya intimidating. So kung gusto natin masubukan yung competition vibes, pero relax na tayo. Yung mga ganitong klase ng event. Shop Boys Bike Fest, maybe the one for you.
Late na naman. Start na pala.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we can throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles. Me and you, nothing to do.
Oh, puno-puno naman oh. Oh.
Me and you, nothing to lose. I feel it in my soul. So let's let the good time.
Hydration station dyan sa ano.
Eastside love is living on the west edge. Now south the boy you better come to. You know the truth is some do. Go write your message on the pavement. I'm so bad, I wonder with the wavement. White heat is screaming in the jungle. Complete the motion if you stumble. Go ask the dust for any answers. Come back strong with 50 million. The world I love, the tears I've tried to be part of the way you can't stop. Ever wonder if it's all for you? The world I love, the trains I love. This life is more than ordinary. Can I get you maybe even 3 of these? Coming from a space to teach you of the Pleiades. Can't stop the spirits when they need you. This life is more than just a read through.
Game! Kailangan.
What I got, you gotta give it to your papa. What I got, you gotta give it to your doctor. You do a little dance and then you do a little walk down. What I got, you
Ano sana eh, habulin ko sana, iniisip ko lang talaga kayo. Kaya, kung hindi ko lang talaga kayo iniisip, talagang darating ko na yon. Cute.
Siyempre, maraming salamat Shopwise for bringing the cycling community together. Everybody here, again, 3,275 riders conversing today.
Oo. Siya yun. Raindrops keep falling on my head. Nandiyan sa likod si ano eh. Si Ride with Bea. Pinapa-overtake ko lang Pops. Ayan, ayan na.
I never believed in love. I was deceived.
Ano gusto ko? Hop. Kakapyos pang ano ko. Ha? Kapyos yung sa 10 feet ko. Oo. Ride with Bea. Nasa likod. Sabi. Picture ka. Video naman tayo.
I never believed in love. I was deceived by love. I never had much luck with lovers before.
Yung ganito, one more. Yan, Nick. Ganito. Dalawa pa. Kanan na po tayo dyan. Pag-akit nyo, kanan na. O yung mga tapos na, if you're done,
Doon tayo sa may ano, may medal. Thank you. Ay, sorry. Medal tapos. Ah, kinuha niyo na.
Straight na lang po. Thank you.
So itatak lang po sa race bid.
Ah, ay, sorry. Natakatan. Thank you. Mga pilang guarding niya to. Ito, pwede naman lumabo.
Saging.
I never believed in love. I was deceived by love. I never had much
Thank you, ma'am.
with love before.
Iron X mo.
Isa lang. Ma'am,
Iron X.
Parang di pa tayo ng ano, ng tuna boy. Kaya nga, parang kailangan natin tikman ito.
Tayo dyan sa Recovery Lounge ng Century Tuna.
Ayun siya. Anong flavor?
ano yan? Flavor niya.
Pediasure,
This one is coconut.
also
caramel,
Vita
original. Original. Anong caramel? Original.
Ah, yan.
Thank you po.
Alright, bisitahin ngayon yung Gatorade, Summit Water, Summit Natural Drinking Water, Century Tuna, Milo, Pediasure, Red Soda, and BPI.
Years po, pero kailangan po yung big number. Ito, pirmahan lang po.
Ano yung bossing?
Alright, we have here people who have shared their hashtag 24 years na siyang nagmamaylo. Nakakatuwa. Again, reminder sa ating mga racers, if you already have medals, you could also claim your loot bag sa ating loot bag claiming area dyan po sa finish line. The start of the kids solo and family ride. And then 30 minutes after at 9 a.m. we have the 500-meter tricycle ride and push bike. And then 10 minutes after at 9:10 a.m. the 100-meter tricycle ride and push bike. We have over 3,000 bikers. So huwag niyo kalimutan no, na yung starting line po natin ay sa Vermosa Boulevard. Again, thank you very much for participating dito po sa Ayala Vermosa Sports Hub, Manila Bulletin, Tempo, Sante, Stork, and Unison. Dizon Farms, Fresh Habit, Sunnyville, Global Fresh, Timeso, Gardenia, Monday Nissin, Baclane Oats, Rexona, BPI, Guanpan, Jet Mitch, Inaba, Procter and Gamble, SC Johnson, Green Cross, Beach Hut Sunfree, TVB Dental B, Bellow Sun Expert, Pascual, Mystery, Sensodyne, Skin Tech Advance, OMD Industries,
45.
B2B Pharmacon,
Pwede pa cut doon.
Social and Jess, Reckitt Benckiser, ULP Breeze,
Ito oh. Ay, sorry.
RFM, Cola.
Una.
Just a few reminders to please
Ganun ba? Ay, sorry.
dispose your trash in a designated
Ganyan.
trash bins to help our area, to help keep our area.
Ito yan. Thank you.
Wala silang bangko. Ay, masarap po ah.
Thank you.
Wala. Wala tayong makakaimpun. Sa pagkain na tayo. Alis na lang.
Lumaki, masarap yan.
Mami.
Thank you.
Masarap po eh. Wala, ito yung nahanap ko. Walang downy eh. Deal talaga ako eh. Versus.
Ayoko ng downy po. Masakit yung ko ng downy.
Sakit.
Ako, may good faith na.
Oo. Ang dahil wala.
Excuse me po. Try mo lang ako ikutin natin yan. Balik tayo sa Downing. Halika na, Tres! Halika na! May multa?
Puno.
80 beauty bikers na lang sila.
Loot bag.
Alright, kumusta na ba ang ating mga racers?
Kiraan lang. Yun. Ito mas mahirap.
May nakabangga sa inyo.
Manzanillo Richard. Or 45 kilometers clockwise. Yeah. Ito yung pangalan ko. Bakit Manzanillo Richard?
Talo!
Ano meron?
Kuya,